Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do something I haven't done for a very long time. Are you ready? Ta-da! We're gonna do Chanel unboxing and let's see what I got this time. This is actually a very surprise unboxing because I bought this item when I was in Japan, which was like two months ago, and I actually forgot about this item. It's not because I have a lot of money, it's just very small, and then I was putting stuff away and then I guess it's falling behind the thing, so I didn't even notice until my cleaning lady found this behind the dresser. I was like, oh wow, yay, so happy. So I'm able to show you guys what I bought this. Where's the receipt? I don't know what happened to the receipt either. But anyway, you just gotta trust me. I bought this. It's real. I didn't steal this. Okay, so I got this at the where is it? Narita Airport, I think. Yeah, Narita Airport. I had to think about this already. I forgot. And then honestly, you know, I really enjoy Chanel item, but Chanel just so ridiculous expensive now. I mean, no, I have explored Hermes. Then you kind of realize that the price by Chanel, you could buy Hermes. Obviously not this piece, but a regular handbag. For a little bit more, you can get Hermes. So to me, Chanel is a little bit pricey, and that's why I don't really buy a lot of Chanel. Okay, let's take a look at this beauty. Oh, this is so beautiful. And this is gonna be a quick video, so it won't be that long, okay? So just kind of hang with me. Oh, suspense, suspense, suspense. So this was the newer collection, but I don't know how new is this now. It's the card holder. It's the crocodile embossing on the leather, I think. And this is you can't even twist that fake buckle right here, but it's a card holder. Whoa. Card holder from Chanel by far is my best item because it holds a lot of stuff. I mean, unbelievable how much you can hold in here. And then, I mean, it's very small. It's kind of credit card size, but a little bit bigger. So you can hold a lot of money in there too. Oh, it smells very strong. But look at this beautiful Egyptian gold pattern color on here. I remember when I was at the airport, I really wanted to get something bigger, but I just feel like I spent a lot of money recently, so I don't want to spend too much. But this is it. It's made in Italy, so you can see that. It's very cute though, and everybody knows that Chanel is no longer selling the exotic leather anymore, but they're using the technology to emboss the crocodile print on the on the regular material. So that's how they did it. It's very smart, I have to say. I mean, there's like graffiti Chanel in here. You can see all that. It is very cute, very modern, very young. And there's another one I was gonna get. It's the gold. I think it's just slightly too much, I think, but this is great though. What do you think? This is so cute. Yay! I really hope that you like this quick unboxing video for Chanel card holder, and leave the comment below. Let me know what type of video content you'd like to see me to create. So I'll see if you want me to do more travel, more what's in my bag, or skincare, or my life story. You know, let me know. I'll be more than happy to do that too. And then thank you so much, and don't forget to follow all my social media right over here, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.